Yo, what is up YouTube? Kill Cam. Today I'm going to be showing you, we got the Corsa Performance Plus for the ZL1 1LE. We got the chrome tips because the black tips were pushed out to 6 to 8 weeks, and little did I know the black tips cost $250 more, so I don't really see a sense in that. We got majority of the pipes, taking it to the shop tomorrow morning. I finally found a use for this back seat. It's for your exhaust when you're taking it to the shop. If you don't know the story, I just replaced this fat 325 brand new, was 404 before tax. And as I was at the shop, they told me I had another nail in the front one. So I just ordered a new set. We went hand cooks. I wanted something a little bit cheaper because with all this construction out there, it's like throwing money away, and apparently they can't patch these tires, or that's what they're telling me. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of what she sounds like just stock. I told you I'm throwing on YouTube. Boys, she's finally sounding right. Corsa Performance Plus exhaust, first sticker to go on the girl. Love this thing. We just threw the brand new hand cooks on here. 325 rear, brand new, sticky, much better than the stock tire. I did not go with the Michelin's just because of cost. With all the new construction next to my house, I do not want to be buying expensive tires. These were not as expensive as the standard stock tires, so much nicer. Sounds good. This idle is amazing. Not here to bore you today. We're here for the exhaust. Is it bad that I wanted a little bit louder? That idle is lovely though. Sounds so nice. Took it to a smaller shop this morning. They let me hang out while they were doing it. Guy mocked it up. Got the pipes exactly where we wanted them. Did an outstanding job. Didn't charge me an arm and a leg either. Just great guys to work around, be with. We'll definitely be giving them more business. But shout out to It's Just a Six, Gavin. He put it on the dyno stock before the exhaust, and he ran it after the same exhaust system here. And you notice 25 horsepower and 30 torque. I'm gonna link that video down below just so you see those numbers in the dyno that he ran it on. The 2019 Camaro ZL1 1LE. We just got the Corsa Performance Plus exhaust system put on today. This thing absolutely sounds rude. I haven't done a point of view video in a while, so shout out to the old guys that have seen one of these before. It has been a minute. I hope you guys enjoy it with this car. I took my buddy and got a reaction video. I suction cupped it up and put the GoPro up top. I'm gonna put that video right here. That was awesome. Shout out to Hal for participating in that. Holy shite. Oh my God. I got some hang time in this bucket seat. These Recaros. Holy crap, that was fun. That's making the video. But the crackles and pops that you get from this car stock, it was only time for an exhaust system. And to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm sick. I kind of want it louder. To be completely honest, I definitely think we need a Rotofab big gold bear intake with headers and a tune, and I think this thing would be awfully spicy. Oh, the turning. The 1LE was definitely the move. The tighter suspension, the aero kit. What is not to love? The absolute looks that you get in this car, you just break necks, break necks. With this exhaust, it is not going to help. Oh my God, dude. I'm just ruining someone's Tuesday. Oof. And then you got Cameron in the spicy ZL1. We still haven't named it. I think Ghost is definitely the winner. Not Oreo, not White Girl, but Ghost. Some of you guys wanted White Dragon, and to be honest with you, I don't know if you're just playing Skyrim or Game of Thrones, or I have no idea, but White Dragon is not the move, or White Girl. But this is a family channel. I definitely want to take this thing up to the mountain soon. That's where the lady and I are getting married in September. But the Blue Ridge Parkway is not too far away. And we definitely need to get this thing aligned before I take it up there. But that is going to be a trip that we're taking soon. If you're in that Columbia, South Carolina area and you guys want to go ride, I don't care what you drive, let's go rip up there. Oh my goodness. Crazy. I can honestly say this thing is woken up with this exhaust. Like this video right now. Subscribe if you've never seen any one of my videos. Oh my god. Give me some headers and take me to a track. And the brakes are just incredible. This car is so sick, man. I regret literally nothing. Just think about it. In the future, you are not going to be able to go buy a 6-speed, supercharged, 6.2 liter V8. It is not going to happen. You need to grab one of these things before they become extinct. Simple as that. These crackles are just everything. You want some spicy tuna? I don't know where I got the tuna from, but F it. Holy pterodactyl. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like I said earlier, it's much appreciated. I respond to every single comment, so if you guys have anything to say, any mod suggestions, please do it. More content is coming. I hope you like this exhaust video, my first little test of point of view. It's not going to be a super long video, but the clips that you saw, I hope you enjoyed them. Please check back this channel. At KillCamR6 on Instagram, KillCam on Facebook. Go check that out as well. Thank you guys. Y'all take it easy. KillCam out.